Now we'll add some detail to the stem. If we want this chair to turn, there's no obvious way that can happen because it's all one piece. I'd like to create a rotational joint down here, about in this area of the stem. I'll switch to ISO mode by pressing F3 and then reduce the number of U and V lines down to the minimum. I'll go to the surface level and scroll down here in the surface common rollout. I'll break a row along the surface which is in this U direction. I'll click 2 points to break the surface twice. That creates a new surface in between here. I'll delete that and go back to mesh mode by pressing F3. So now we have a hole in our surface right down here. Now I'd like to create a inward bevel here to represent this rotational joint. I'll use the tool right here, Create Surface Edge Curve, to drop curves right in here and here. Then I'll be able to use those curves to generate a new surface. In order to get the surface beveled inward, it's necessary to have an intermediate cross-sectional curve. So I'll go to the curve level, grab one of these curves, and copy it up by holding down Shift. I'll copy it as a transform object, that will be fine, and scale it down slightly so that we create this inward bevel effect. Then I'll go back to the top level and use the U-Loft tool to generate a new surface from these 3 curves. Finally, I'll do a test render to see how that looks.